Imagine this, a powerful Scania truck roaring down the highway, its engines humming with precision and strength. Now imagine trying to get your hands on one of those engines in North America. Not so easy, right? Scania is legendary for its durability, fuel efficiency, and raw power. These Swedish-engineered machines dominate roads in Europe and South Africa. But in the US and Canada, they're almost mythical, unlike Freightliner or Kenworth. Scania trucks aren't sold here, making their engines a rare find. And that's where this guide comes in. If you're looking for a Scania engine, whether to power your truck, a custom project, or just out of pure admiration, you need the right strategy. From salvage yards to imports, we'll walk you through every possible route to track one down. It's a challenge, but if you're determined, there's a way. Now let's dive in and get started. Scania has been a heavyweight in the trucking industry for over a century. It started in 1911 when Scania and AB merged, forming the brand known today for durability and innovation. While they originally dabbled in bicycles and cars, they quickly shifted to building heavy-duty trucks and engines. However, Scania's reputation comes from its focus on efficiency and reliability. Their engines have powered everything, from trucks to buses, industrial machines, and even marine vessels. They're built to last, offering impressive fuel economy and high torque. This global reputation is why, even in North America, where Scania trucks are rare, many truckers still want one of these engines under the hood. Now, if you've been trucking in the US or Canada, you've probably noticed that Scania trucks are nowhere to be found. Well, there's a reason for that. North American favors long-nosed conventional trucks, while Scania specializes in cab-over designs. Beyond design differences, strict EPA or Environmental Protection Agency and DOT or Department of Transportation regulations have made it tough for Scania to break into the North American trucking market. So instead, they focused on marine and industrial engines, leaving truck enthusiasts with few options. Meanwhile, brands like Freightliner, Kenworth, and Peterbilt dominate the roads, making Scania engines even harder to come by. Many assume that Scania engines are readily available because of the brand's global presence, but that's far from the truth. Unlike in Europe and other regions where Scania trucks and parts are common, North American restrictions and market preferences have made these engines a rarity. Now, this scarcity means getting your hands on a Scania engine is not easy. You need to go through multiple avenues: used markets, direct contacts, imports, and even alternative options. It's a challenge to be sure, but for those willing to put in the effort, the reward is a powerful, reliable engine that stands out from the crowd. Okay, now let's say you take the challenge and you plan on searching for the elusive Scania engine. Well, first of all, you need to understand what you're looking for. So before you start even searching, you gotta understand what makes Scania engines special. And the answer to that is, Scania engines are built on a modular platform, meaning many of their parts are interchangeable, and this makes them easier to service and maintain, if you can find the parts. Some of Scania's most common engine families include DC09, which is a 9-liter inline-5 diesel engine, which has 275 to 400 horsepower, which is ideal for medium-duty applications. Or they have the DC13, which is a 13-liter inline-6 350 to 550 horsepower, widely used in heavy-duty trucks. And they also have the DC16, which is a 16-liter V8 550 to 770 horsepower, which means it's a beast designed for serious hauling. Scania engines are very much known for their advanced fuel injection systems, turbocharging, and high torque output. If you're hunting for one, knowing the engine model, power rating, and compatibility with your truck will save you from costly mistakes. And now that you know what you're looking for, the next point is to devise a strategic approach to getting them. If you're looking for a Scania engine in North America, the used market is often the most practical route that comes in mind. European truck salvage yards, while rare, are worth checking. These places sometimes have Scania engines from imported or decommissioned vehicles. While they might not advertise them online, calling around or visiting in person could yield results. Online platforms like eBay, Craigslist, and specialized truck forums are also worth exploring. Listings may come from private sellers, mechanics, or importers who specialize in European truck parts. Social media can be a surprisingly useful tool as well. Facebook groups and Reddit threads focused on European trucks, heavy equipment, or long-haul trucking often have members who buy and sell Scania parts. And now that you are at the salvage yard, it's important to have it at the back of your mind that used engines can be a gamble, so due diligence is essential. The number one background check you need to run is the engine history. Request mileage records, maintenance logs, and any records of previous repairs or rebuilds. An engine with a solid maintenance history is a safer bet. Another one is the compatibility. Not all Scania engines will fit every model or transmission setup. Cross-check engine codes, and specifications with your truck to avoid costly problems. Operating condition is a big component as well to look at when sourcing for a Scania engine. If possible, have a mechanic inspect the engine before purchase. If buying remotely, request detailed photos, videos of the engine running, and compression test results. While the used market requires extra caution, it can be a great way to source a Scania engine, especially with patience, persistence, and the right connections. Scania's North American division mainly deals with marine and industrial engines, but it's still worth reaching out. While they likely won't sell you a truck engine, they might be able to connect you with someone who can. And networking is key. Reaching out to Scania dealers, trucking industry insiders, and mechanics who specialize in European trucks might lead to unexpected opportunities. Sometimes the right conversation could open doors that you didn't even know existed. However, a direct purchase of a Scania truck engine for road use may not be possible due to EPA and DOT regulations. And even if you find one, adapting it for legal use in North America could be a major challenge, and that's why thorough research and industry connections are essential to improving your chances of success. If tracking down a Scania engine proves too difficult, consider alternatives. Volvo and Mercedes-Benz offer diesel engines with similar performance and reliability. While they won't be identical, they can still provide strong torque, fuel efficiency, and durability. Just make sure any alternative engine is compatible with your truck. Mounting points, transmission connections, and electronic systems all need to align. So consulting a professional mechanic before making a decision is highly recommended. Now, if you're serious about getting a Scania engine, importing one from Europe or South America is an option, but it's a complicated process. The biggest hurdles? The EPA or Environmental Protection Agency and DOT regulations. Some Scania engines might not meet US emissions standards, making them difficult or even impossible to register. Or import costs. Shipping, customs duties, and taxes can add up quickly, significantly increasing the total cost. Or logistics. Working with a customs broker is essential to navigate the paperwork and ensure compliance with regulations. Now, if you go this route, do your research and budget for unexpected costs. It's not the easiest option, but for the right engine, it might be worth it. Now, let's say you went ahead to purchase a Scania engine from Europe. It's important to take a step back and evaluate a few key factors. Engine compatibility. You gotta make sure the engine fits your truck's chassis, transmission, and electronics to avoid costly modifications. Or parts availability. Scania trucks can be difficult to source in North America, so research where you're going to get replacements before committing to buying one. Or service network. Not all mechanics are familiar with Scania engines, so finding a qualified technician to handle maintenance and repairs is a big deal. Total cost ownership. Beyond the purchase price, consider shipping, installation, and long-term maintenance costs, which can be significant. Or the warranty and after-sales service. Used or imported Scania engines often come with limited or no warranty, and after-sales support may be minimal. So be prepared for potential repair costs without manufacturing backing. Or the cost factor. Acquiring and maintaining a Scania engine in North America can be expensive, so you have to budget accordingly and weigh the costs against potential benefits. So it's not news that finding a Scania engine in North America isn't for the faint of heart. It does take patience, persistence, and sometimes a bit of luck. So whether you're searching through salvage yards, dealing with import regulations, or considering alternative options, the key is to do your homework and stay resourceful. The reward, though? A powerful, reliable engine that stands out from the crowd. The distinctive rumble of a Scania engine is a rare sound on North American roads. But for those who manage to track one down, it's worth every bit of effort. Now, if you're serious about this journey, start exploring your options today. Join online communities, network with industry insiders, and keep an eye on the used market. The perfect engine could be out there waiting. You just have to be ready to find it. Good luck with the hunt, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos.